No one wakes up and goes, I want to be in cybersecurity. So I wanted to be a footballer. That was my dream. Unfortunately, I'm shit at football.
Ian Murphy is a cybersecurity veteran with 30 years in the field. He's on a mission to make cybersecurity accessible, certifiable, and even enjoyable.
We're an industry, we're sometimes the bringer of bad news. At the same time, I do remember a lot of times where this was a fun industry.
I think people are exhausted with fear, uncertainty, and doubt, right? When you keep offering the sky's falling into people, it's like the boy who cried wolf. People are going to switch off, right? But when the internet first was coming in, early 90s, mid 90s, to cyber was a verb. To cyber meant to have online relations. The current level of disagreement on social media and the way people speak to each other on social media is because people have forgotten how much it hurts to be punched in the face.
Because one thing is I know from speaking is I'm never going to please everyone in the audience.
And that was the problem with my videos, were the fact that nobody wanted other people in a corporate setting to see them having fun watching them and learning watching them. It's really difficult, Joe, because